Here we have an 8.5 by 24 blackout spread axle package enclosed car hauler trailer. Got the rounded bull nose on the front with the 5-foot tongue. Looks like a short tongue, but that tongue starts right there at the edge of the corner. And then it's 24 foot from there back, not including the V-nose. V-nose is all extra room. Blackout trim, blackout bar lock, black LED pit lights on the side, aluminum mag wheels with radial tires. All the spread axle trailers like this have the torsion axle, so you got the better suspension system on it. Extra wide rear ramp door. Got the double LED tail lights there on the back. Let's go this way. Got an escape door on the side and a generator compartment door. This is a semi-screwless exterior, so we glue it on the same way we glued the metal on when we do a full screwless, and then put screws just on the seams. Gives a little bit stronger adhesive or strength than the full screwless does. The electrical package had a motor base plug, so you plug it in right here on the outside for the power. It's got a full finished interior. Walls, floor, and ceiling. Carpet on the walls, 36 inches. Rubber floor. White aluminum walls and a white vinyl ceiling. Got 4-foot LED lights in the ceiling. Lights on the side. LED, you can turn those on with the switch here. It's got a battery and a converter on the panel box. Up front here we got the cabinets, and L-shaped cabinets because we got the generator box on it. 2 doors on the bottom, 4 doors on the top for the overhead cabinets. Panel box is tucked up underneath here along with your converter for the 12-volt lights and your power cable. Nice little thumb locks on all the doors. Again, this is an 8.5 by 24 enclosed race-ready car hauler. AC unit on top as well, ready to go.